morning. All right, I completely ran out of time. I was so excited to pack with you in a way that let you see all of the cute outfits that I was taking with me. I leave today at 4 for a month. I'm traveling all through Paris and Italy and then back to Paris for all different things. I'm gonna bring you along and let you know all the things that I'm doing, which are very cool. There's just like too much, right? I don't know about you, but whenever I'm going away for that long, which isn't that often, it used to be more often, but whenever I go away for a long amount of time, I'm always trying to like tie up all my ends. Like basically I'm trying to do a month's worth of work before I go so that in my absence, everything keeps on rolling along. So I have to pack kind of quickly. I love to, like, welcome to my messy floor in my office. If you're ever wondering what's all over my floor in my office, it's plants. Also, I bought a few things at Zara and H&M. Look at these. These are like track pants, so they're really stretchy, but they're also, they look so fancy and they're so cute on. So once I get to Paris, I will do like an unpack with me and try on some of my fabulous outfits. Now, I am only doing a carry-on, like carry-on forever only, especially because some of the smaller planes that I'm going on in between Paris and Italy, they don't, like, it's carry-on only, and unless you want to be late for everything, and you know, after a while, if you're bringing too many things as well, you don't really know what you have. This all mostly black pile of clothes with a little bit of white and a touch of blue is what I'm going to try and fit into this carry-on. You might remember this adorable top from my Forever 21 haul. It's so cute, and I feel like not only can I wear this with some high-waisted black shorts, I have a pair of high-waisted white shorts that this would look great with. I need to find, there was a pair of jeans I wanted to bring and I can't find them. This is so fabulous. I found it on the sale rack at H&M because I go to H&M for their bathing suits, which I actually, well look, I'm a big fan of little tube tops, and this is technically a bathing suit, so it has like all the right kind of lifting ability. It's not just a little cute cage, and it looks amazing on. I got it in a larger size. I think this is size 8, $7. They're, so not only, maybe like $12, but not only does H&M have these like adorable bathing suits that look much more expensive than they are, they also are very, very inexpensive. So if you want something like in a pinch that isn't $300 for a swimsuit, so that's what I went in there for, but then I saw the sale rack and I gave it like a quick look and then wait! Oh my God. You can't see how fabulous this is. So it's high-waisted and it's like from the 80s kind of taffeta with just the most exaggerated, it's so beautiful, and it was on sale for $39. It was one of the collaborations, Sandra Mansour. I had never heard of her before, but she's an Israeli designer. This was H&M's first collab with an Israeli designer, and I'm obsessed with Israeli designers. My wedding gown was an Israeli designer named Galia Lahav. And ever since then, everything, actually I have a few things in here from Israeli designers that I've discovered in the last little while. It's so poofy, it's not gonna go down, but it's gonna be worth it. So I'm forcing this into the bag. Recently, I was in Los Angeles. Okay, it's gonna be too poofy. When something's this poofy, I wait until the end because I'm going to kind of like nestle it into places so it behaves and stays there. Oh, how convenient. This was my Los Angeles find. Ruti, R-U-T-I. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but these pants are like the relaxed pants. They feel like track pants, but they fit so beautifully, and you can tell like they're so soft and they look luxurious even though they're super relaxed. I know it's hard to see black, like I'm sorry, but I'll show you in when I try them all on. But this is the dress I was talking about that I wear constantly, and I considered, it's nice and long too, not all the way to the ground, it's kind of mid-length. But I pulled it out and I was like, do I not bring it? I feel like I bought a lot of other things, and then I knew instantly that I'd regret it because it's so easy. You don't have to wear a bra with it. You can just pop it on. It looks so cute and chic. I can put like a sweater over top of it if I'm chilly. If I'm not chilly, I could take the sweater off, and I have nice little spaghetti straps. This is also one of those types of dresses. This was Zara, I think 2 or 3 seasons ago. Similar length, and just really easy. Dress it up, dress it down. I love it with a white shirt, kind of over my shoulders and tied up. This was one of my Forever 21 finds. Very, very thin, cropped, black collared shirt. Goes with literally everything. I bought these at Zara last year, and they're really high-waisted white linen shorts. This is one of my favorite finds. I wear this all the time. This was from Zara a few years ago. It was so inexpensive. I see a lot of other companies doing these types of onesies with the cutouts and the lace, but it's like pants, and it is so thin. It does not wrinkle at all, no matter how hard I try, no matter how small of a little tiny ball I roll it into. And it can go day to night, heels or runners. Found this really cute kind of scarf shirt at Zara, and it was really inexpensive. But can I ask you, why do they put their tags, I guess the beeper tag, first of all, this is like a $39 shirt, but it's been destroyed by that little beeper thing, and like I'm obviously not going to take it back, but it has a hole in it, like a full-on hole. Like, can't you just put it on some other place? Anywhere else. This is hilarious. You might remember this if you've been watching for a long time from my one of my first Zara hauls, and it looks like a little bathing costume from the 20s, and they sent me 2 by accident. And I was going to donate it because I'm not going to wear it, and then my girlfriend Jane saw it, and she was like, oh my god, you have 2 of these. We need matching bathing costumes for the boat. So I gave it to her, and I have mine. So we're going to get some pretty hilarious photos and so much happiness. My version of bringing color is my absolute favorite top in the whole world. This is by Narcissus. She's a Canadian designer based in Toronto, but her stuff is so beautiful, and I never go anywhere without this. It also doesn't wrinkle. You can wear it with a skirt and heels. You can wear it with jeans, and you always look so chic, and it's perfect for Paris. Just at the end now. And we all knew everything wasn't going to fit, so I'm trying to decide. I always bring this cute cropped, I think it's from Zara, yeah, jean jacket with me, but it's obviously like kind of a bulky thing. So I'm opting for an alternative, which is my brand new Forever 21 cropped shirt. It's not really a jacket, but if I wear it with a scarf, it kind of like will be the same weight. It will do the same thing. But the nice thing is this will double as also like a shirt. So I can wear it with pants, and hopefully it fits. On the other side of my suitcase, I put all of like my bulky makeup things underneath, and then just like a few pieces of clothes, because obviously this side I sat on this to compress it. You can see my fabulous skirt kind of like wanting to escape. Save the really like tiny things till the end because I can kind of find a crevice where I can shove it down, like tuck it in like Tetris. So things like my tiny little turtleneck and a few pairs of tights. Although I honestly don't think there's room for anything. Maybe a pair of tights right here. Oh, these are one of my favorite things in the world. These are my Sheer Techs by Roxy Earl. And they're so beautiful. Every time I wear them, people ask me where I got them from. And I've obviously had them for years because Sheer Techs lasts for years, and anything that Roxy designs, I'm obsessed with. The moment of truth. So, very gingerly, I'm going to fold. Oh, this is so not gonna close. Okay. Matt doesn't like to be in the same room as me when I close my suitcase because he's always so stressed out about why I'm trying to shove this many things into the suitcase. The trick with this particular suitcase is nothing can be. Oh, I'm so close. Oh, don't embarrass me in front of my friends. I know that if I just pull like one thing out, it will close no problem, but I'm so stubborn. That was a workout. Okay. Thank you for packing with me. Now I'm late, so I have to go, and I will see you in Europe. Have a great day, guys. Mwah!